back, everyone. Mike here. I'll tell you what, that was a lot tougher than I thought it would be. I saw a video on YouTube of some guy doing that, and he was able to get the egg off, but he kind of just scooped it onto his tooth, I think with the thumb. I was trying to kind of pinch it, you know, between the bucket teeth and the thumb, and I was not successful. That was my second attempt. My first attempt, I'll show you what that looks like. It was actually a little bit better than the second attempt. So in my first attempt, I was able to pick the egg up, but I did put a small crack in it, as you can see. And so that's 2 times, 2 fails. I'm going to try that again sometime. If you had some type of a little bit of cushion on the thumb or on the teeth, I don't think it'd be any problem. But between the steel tooth and the steel thumb, there's not much room for error. But anyway, it's going to get dark here soon. I came down here, I'm just clearing a few more trees. This is going to be some more storage space down here, and also a borrow pit where I can dig shale like whenever I need it. This is going to work out really good. You don't have to be as careful with the trees as I was the egg. Tomorrow it's going to rain a little bit from what they're saying, so I'll get my burn pit going again tomorrow. So it's actually Wednesday night right now. I'm a little bit ahead of the game. You probably won't see this video until Saturday. Normally what you see is the day before, but I took one day off there from editing, and that's why I got a little bit extra time. It is gonna rain today, but the big news is Melissa's leaving me. I mean, I think she's coming back. I hope she does. But she's going away for a couple days. I need to run her to the airport here in just a little bit. But she's going to visit her brother and his family in Las Vegas. And then they're all going to California to see Hannah and Tyler at Tyler's parents' place. And then Hannah comes back Sunday, and Melissa comes back on Monday. So it'll just be me, the hunt man, and daughter Eva. But we should be able to hold down the fort pretty well. I am down here where I'm clearing some trees. I'm just getting my fire going again here. I'm going to dump some brush on here. right, we're headed to the airport. I was telling them you're going to see your brother and family and Hannah and Tyler, and you'll be gone for a few days.
Yeah. I was going to tell you, I'm leaving. You know those YouTube videos that are like, that's it, I'm leaving, I'm done.
Yeah, but you'll be back.
I never go anywhere, so this is my big trip.
The only time I'd feel nervous if you were leaving is if you took the dogs.
Oh, yeah.
You couldn't leave them.
Yeah, Archie was all over me this morning, like.
Greater Pittsburgh International Airport. Do you like flying, Melissa?
I guess.
Yeah.
I'm talking myself into it. I don't hate it, but I do not like wearing a mask, so that's on my mind.
Yeah.
Being shoved into a seat, masking me up.
Starting to have a panic attack. All right, we are pulling in, but yeah, we're all going to miss you.
I'll miss you.
The dogs. That's who I'm most worried about. Hunter and Eva and I will be fine. It's the dogs.
Yes.
They go into a state of depression. When we left there, they weren't sure. Well, I hate goodbyes.
I hate goodbyes. What movie is that from?
Good luck. Got a little bit of firewood out of this one tree. I don't really fool too much with the little stuff. I've got plenty of wood as it is, and it's just not worth the extra time. But we're going to stoke this fire a little bit. I got just a little bit more brush here to put on there, and I think I have all my trees down. I think everything I need's down. And by the way, I'm going to dig the new burn pit probably tomorrow, right in here, if this makes sense, where I'm pointing the bucket. I'll dig it, or even maybe down this way a little bit, right in here. I'll take the dirt out of that burn pit. I'll put it in the old burn pit, fill that up there. That gives me an extra, I could park the dump trailer right there. It'd be out of the way. And then my borrow pit will be out on that edge, out in there. I can dig all along that edge right there, work my way back, and I don't need dirt all the time, but when I do, I'll be able to. And first thing I'll have to do is take a little of that dirt and build a nice ramp down in here to get the dump trailer. But did I mention how nice of an evening it is right now? Feels like fall. It really does. Melissa told me in Vegas it's like 110 or 115 or something. Just crazy hot. That would be horrible. I don't know how they do it. And they say it's a dry heat. I don't care what kind of heat it is. You get over 100 degrees, that's brutal. I wouldn't feel like doing anything in that kind of heat. When it gets in the 80s here and humid, I lose a little bit of steam. Well, there you have it. You can kind of see from this angle right here, I've got a hump right here in the middle. You know, I'll take this hump out of here. And, but yeah, this will definitely open things up a little bit, give me some more room. That's good. I need the room. But anyway, I think I'll try that egg thing another time, and I will report back if I'm successful or not. But that's a lot harder than I thought. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends. Thanks.